A year ago today, on November the 5th through the 9th of 2024, Denver had its 11th biggest snowstorm on record. This was based on stats officially out of the airport. Worth noting that downtown Denver saw notably less than the 20 inches that officially fell over those 4 days, but downtown Denver still a heavy, wet 10 to 12 inches of snow. Just curious what you remember from the storm. What I'll remember is just how heavy and wet that snow was. It weighed down a lot of branches. Temperatures right around 32, 33 degrees throughout the duration of the storm. And that meant that the impacts to roads were fairly limited. On the front end of the storm, we saw quite a bit of snow on the roads, and then it kind of melted pretty quickly, and it was tough for it to reaccumulate. But in some places on the eastern plains, Lyman, 3 feet of snow. In some places in southern Colorado, 50 to even 60 inches of snow. This was thanks to a cutoff low that just kept spinning off to our south and kept drawing up all this moisture. And the result was we, in some cases, end up with 50 to 60 inches of snow in southern Colorado. In the Denver area, though, an impressive 20-inch snowstorm. Again, the 11th biggest snowstorm on record for us in Denver. What do you remember from this snowstorm? Put it in the comments below.